Welcome to the Blue Mouse Knits. Today I'm going to teach you how to work a center double decrease, which is abbreviated as CDD. So to work this, we're going to slip the first 2 stitches as if to knit with the yarn held in the back of your work. So we're going to go into the next 2 stitches as if you're going to knit them together, but just slip them. So into the front loops of both, like this, but just slip them to my right hand needle. And now we're going to knit the next stitch normally. And then we're going to take those 2 slip stitches and pass them over that knit stitch and off. So we're essentially binding 2 off. So we're going to take our left needle into the front loops of both of those stitches and pull them over and off. And you can kind of pull on the working yarn to tighten up that stitch. And that is a center double decrease. I'll show that to you one more time. Slip the first 2 stitches as if to knit. So go into the front loops of both of them as if you're working a knit 2 together, but just slip them to your right hand needle. Knit the next stitch, and then pass those 2 slip stitches over that knit stitch and off. Go into the front loops of both of them with your left hand needle and pull them over and off. And there you have it. That is a center double decrease. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more tutorials.